Hi, my name is Victoria Davison, and I am in my first year at Lake Sumter State College. Ew, what is that smell? It is definitely a stinky dog. Today I'm going to show you how to bathe a dog. Bathing a dog consists of 3 main steps: preparation, washing, and drying. You should listen to me because I have had a dog for 8 years, and I've been bathing it for most of that time. This speech could be informative for people with dogs that do not wash it properly, or for people who plan on getting one and want to know how. The first step in bathing a dog is preparation. I change into a shirt I don't mind getting dirty, and I gathered all of my materials. I'm going to be using Hearts shampoo, Biogroom shampoo, a cup for rinsing, a towel for drying, and a tub full of lukewarm water, which I'll show you in a second. Here is what the bath looks like. The next step in bathing a dog is washing, which is what I'm going to show you how to do right now. The first thing you're going to want to do is wet your dog. So get water all on her fur or him. Get water on there. I'm going to use my cup and get her fur wet before I put the shampoo on. You want to be very careful of their head to make sure you don't get it in their eyes. The next thing you're going to do is grab one of your shampoos and put a quarter size amount in your hand. This is the Hearts shampoo I'm using first. And you want to make sure that you scrub really good and get around their ears, their face, legs, all the places that they get dirty. The Hearts shampoo is made with 100% pet-safe ingredients, free of sulfates, parabens, and alcohol. After you are done scrubbing, you're going to rinse with the cup. No, Maxie. Make sure you get all the soap out of it. Next, I'm going to use the same amount of the Biogroom shampoo. This is like whitening shampoo for Bichon Frises, which is what this dog is. With this shampoo, it can be diluted with up to 8 parts of water. Now I'm going to rinse again. The last step in bathing a dog is drying. So you're going to drain the tub and grab your towel. Cleanliness is next to godliness, as said by John Wesley. So you're going to take your dog and pick it up and start to dry around its face, legs, everywhere like that. And be very careful. It's okay. Come here. And you're just going to keep drying until she's dry, or he. To bathe a dog, you need to prepare, wash, and dry it. Now my dog Maxie smells like Japanese cherry blossoms thanks to those shampoos. If you are planning on getting a dog or looking on a speech of how to wash one, this is the one for you. This demonstration and description on how to do it will have your dog look as good as ever. Thank you.